I want aqua. And then aqua and this go together. Aqua and pink. Looks like aqua and pink. It looks good. All right.
It's be bright.
Is that bright? It's okay. I like bright. All right. So let's get started. This is really cool. Color. Mika, thanks. Is it? Oh, it's showing you black and white. I already have a color black and white. I want to see something else. All right, so same techniques. You are going to get most of the gel painting off, and it's really cool pigment, so then you will not. You can start from the corner of the nail first and keep the brush flat with your nails. Let's go. Do it again. You are going to doing it at first. When you start painting, you're gonna keep it like 45-degree angle, and then you are turn the fingernails on the clients. Your other finger is still really like leans on this fingernail stationary. Where I'm at. Okay. And you can continue to feel it, but I am promised, like, you will never go wrong with this. First, when I start like swirling painting, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna mess it up. You will never mess it up. The brush is gripping yours base, which is before I painted it. I get 2 coat of number 19 base nude. All right, clear each coat for 60 seconds, and then I did use Glitz matte gel top coat, but it's matte finish. Applies on the top of the light nude. Here for 60 seconds. And then you can start painting it. All right. I love about it is so pigmented, and the consistency is absolutely like it's not betray on you, because every single move, you see that, even like if your hand is feel like shaky at first when you're doing, it doesn't slide off anywhere at all. It's not like it's really thin, loosened, and runny. You see that how is the gel painting is not even move, it's not running. It looks like you are keying it, but actually it's not. Right? So you can go back and forth. Right? Add more as you needed it. So you see that how I like just hold it tight, and the keys is this is not even running, so it's not like run everywhere or smearing. Look, it doesn't look precise. So then you're like, oh my god, I gotta do it fast, because it starts like blending on the others. So now you can go ahead and using the other colors, the aquas, next to this. However, if you're afraid of they are gonna be really close to each other, you can definitely flash gear this for 10 seconds. Okay, let's do it for 10 seconds, and then we're gonna using aqua. And you know what, it's either silvers or is golden touch. I'm loving this golden touch on the pot. if I want to be like the accents on it. Also is come with, on the whole kits, it's come with the gold gel painting already. However, I'm using the pot gel painting, so you can use either one. If you have the gel painting in the bottle, you can use that. If you don't have it, you can use a pot. Make sure you get like hello Facebook, Instagrams, YouTube, Twitch, and TikToks. Viewer, you are amazing, and I thank you for joining me every single day. So I'm gonna start first 45 degree, and then move your fingers and turn the client's fingernails at the same time, and do breathe. You can still breathe. At first I thought I can't breathe. I'm hold my, you know, like breaths like I'm not breathing at all, and actually we're gonna die, but not. So we have to turn. If you pay attention, I turn like this. See that motion? I turn is really slow. Just not turn it fast like this. You're gonna slide off, like your fingers might slide off from your nails. So you're gonna do this finger or this finger, however, or sometimes I'm using this pinky though. It's gonna be the key, so then your hands not hang up in the air like this. If you painting and drawing and you paint like this, you don't have much of support, then your line is gonna pretty much getting a little bit, your hand might be shaky because it doesn't have much support. So I'm gonna using my other fingers. Stick the gels on it. Don't want to key my nails. All right. Get most of them up. I hope it makes sense. I don't know is that is just explained good for you, but if you have question, please comments right on the comments below so I can explain it. Hold on, where does this want to come from?
You can clean it up later. It's fine. Or you can always just cover it.
Ah, good idea. Right here. Look, I'm covering it. It looks like watermelon. Don't you think? Just need to put some seed on it. It's so happy. So it's the same techniques. I do a slow motion so then we all can watch it together. But promise, when you have it on a hand, just don't mess it up. Well, if you're free, I was saying it to scream with us. Oh my gosh. It's so much easier than I thought. You can scream with us because we can scream at you. Like, yeah, I'm so happy. Looks good. Hold on, let me get this one a thicker. So here's cool some tip and trick. It's just for your preference, just my just for the ideas. And if you do like this, gonna make it looks really easy to do your swirls every time. Whatever you start, you can do it your beginning with a little bit thicker swirl, and toward to the end you do is thinner. So bigger, if you see that bigger, and then you go thinner, bigger, you go thinner. So you're gonna make this really cool swirl that you want. It's not difficult at all. All right, so I'm gonna flash key it quick for 10 seconds. Hello, True Nails, how are you? Oh yes, I love it too, Mama Vix. I agree. It's just really, it's soft. It's aqua, so it's not too it's not too dark. It's too bright. It's perfect. So I'm gonna using a gel painting is pot in the bottle. I love this one as well. However, I'm going to show you this bottle from the kit, the set that I have. This one, you can also use this too. But I using the pot because the pot is got even like thicker density. This one is so gorgeous as well. If you have this, you can use this. Either one. Look at how precise it is. I want the pot because the pot, it looks like a really platinum look, but it's without looks too platinum. So I'm gonna using the twin tip brush. You see the first end of twin tip brush I'm using to apply like even gel painting or is condensed glue gels. So pinch my brush and turn the other ends. I'm using my precision size of the brush with this is gel painting. I would suggest that you have a set of yours like this, the brush, right? And then I would love to, I got like two of this, the golden, at least two golden touch, and then shimmering silver. That's it too, is make it looks like really a precise and platinum look. So now you can leave it here and top coat and you're good to go. Here for 60 seconds, you're good to go. But I'm just adding a little bit of my golden touch. Again, keep it 45-degree angle, and then you are keep your brush flat. And let's go. Do the same things with this. Can you check if I have any questions on Facebook?
Nope, you good.
And then now you see you start with the first thin. And then I'm gonna keep this a little bit thicker. Always keep your fingers like stationary so then you can draw. Yeah, you can add more. You can feel this one too. I love this. See, trust me, you will never go wrong. I used to be really afraid of to draw this. You know how hard it is for me, and I will sweat. And with this brush, it would does precision gel painting with precision brush. It does change my life. Yeah, you can add anything on it. You can keep on and on if you want to. And I'm telling you, when you're doing this swirls, you will never go wrong with this. All right. Okay. Happy with this? We are going to Kia for 60 seconds.